trying to pull it down.
Easy, smoking.
It is? No, it's just the wires. It's just the wire. It's just the cable tightening up. It's good. It's good. No, not really. Yeah, you gotta get ready to put the emergency brake on.
I am.
Whoa! Oh, you're good. Alright guys, so we're over here. I just got the paperwork. Look at that, guys. Look at that truck. Look at that F-350, the white one. Principal. Our truck. Alright guys, so we got everything strapped up. We got a bunch of straps. We got e-brake. We got park. We got windowed up. We got everything around this. Alright guys, so we're over here. Got the truck trailer. Stop by. Got something to eat. But truck's not sweating anymore. Oh yeah, guys, look at that. Alright guys, so you just saw that little time lapse. We got it unloaded, but it had no brakes because master cylinder tend to be right here, but it's mashed, so maybe the whole line just came off. But you guys can see no airbags deployed, sunroof, moonroof, full 360 cameras. Look how nice they are. Front end, bowl jug of bowls. This is probably, I don't know, probably front end too. Front fender screws. And look at this. Every single part they took off. Radiator support, grill support, radiator. Grill's right here, almost good, just that top corner is bad, but we got camera, and then that's 800 bucks. Long story short, that was pretty much all we had of fixing the truck. We finished the truck very fast, few radiators, radiator support, and replacing that fender support bar. Here's a video of me dumping the front axle onto our junk truck as the front axle was bad. After that, you guys will see videos of the truck getting wrapped, or pictures of the truck getting wrapped. And here's the end product. Very happy the way it came out, especially with that 2022 F-350 front bumper and those LED headlights of us towing with it. The next build you guys will see in a little bit. And here it is in the dark. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. For more builds, we have a 2022 Audi A8L Executive that is on the way getting wrapped. And here's a small little sneak peek of it before getting wrapped.